students, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Competition Grid. Here I am continuing the remaining part of the BAS 300 MCQs of June 2020. Here is the first question. What is the name of the person who is the voice behind the COVID-19 caller tune in Hindi? He is Jaslin Bhalla. Next one. Which language day was observed by the United Nations on 6th June? That is the Russian language day. The other official language days of UN, that is United Nations, are celebrated on, that is for English language day, it is celebrated on April 23rd. Spanish also celebrated on April 23rd. Arabic language day is celebrated on December 18. Chinese day is celebrated on April 20 and French is celebrated on March 20. Please remember these celebrated days of official languages of United Nations. Next one. Who has become the only Indian to win the prestigious Richard Dawkins Award? He is Javed Akhtar. Next one. Chiranjeevi Sarja, who passed away recently, belonged to which regional cinema? He belongs to Kannada. He is a Karnataka film actor. Next one. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Delhi Land and Finance Limited, that is DLF? He is Rajiv Singh. Next one. Who has been named EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? He is Kiran Majumdar Shah. Next one. Who among the following ministry has launched the booklet titled Safe Online Learning in the Times of COVID-19? It is Ministry of Human Resource and Development, that is HRD Ministry. Next one. Non-banking finance company IIFL Finance has appointed whom as its first ever brand ambassador? He is Rohit Sharma. Next one. Which international airport of India has received the ACI, that is Asia Pacific Green Airports Platinum recognition of 2020 in 15 to 35 million passengers per annum category? That is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Next one. As many as how many tigers have died in the country in the last 8 years due to poaching and other causes, according to National Tiger Conservation Authority? That is when compared to last 8 years, 750 tigers have been died up till now. Next one. The government has set up a task force under whose chairmanship to examine maternal mortality rate, age of motherhood? He is Jaya Jatli. Next one. Hamza Koya, who passed away recently, was associated with which sports? He was associated with football. Next one. When was the World Pest Day or World Pest Awareness Day was celebrated? It is celebrated on June 6th. Next one. Abu Dhabi based sovereign investor Madhupala Investment Company will buy what percent of stake in Jio platforms of rupees 9,093.6 crore, that is 1.85%. This much of stake was taken by the company. Next one. Which state has launched the Raj Kaushal portal and online app employment exchange through video conferencing? That is Rajasthan state. Next one. Joe Biden, who officially became the presidential nominee to contestant against Donald Trump, belongs to which party? He belongs to Democratic Party. Next one. Which state has directed the government employees, tractor owners to return the BPL ration cards? That state is Karnataka state. Next one. Which state government has launched the country's first online wastage exchange platform? That state is Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Next one. Which has become the first foreign bank to start operations at IFSC Gift City, that is Standard Chartered Bank. This is the first sovereign bank to start operations at IFSC. Next one. Ved Marawa, who passed away recently, was a governor of which state? Actually, he is governor of 3 states. Previously, he worked for these 3 states as a governor. That states are Manipur, Jharkhand and Mizoram. Next one, Rahul Srivastava, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of India to which country? That country name is Romania. Monica Kapil Mohta has been appointed as the next brand ambassador of India to Switzerland. Please remember this name. Next one. Member countries of the group of 20 have pledged more than how many $billion to fight the coronavirus, that is COVID-19 pandemic? That is $21 billion. Next one. Former world gymnastics champion Kurt Thomas, who passed away recently, hailed from which country? He is from United States. Next one. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, has made available a special liquidity facility, that is SLF, of rupees 270 crore to which bank? That is Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. Next one. What is the theme of the World Oceans Day of 2020? That theme is Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. World Food Safety Day of 2020 is celebrated on June 7th for this year. The theme is Food Safety, Everyone's Business. Next, World Brain Tumor Day is celebrated on June 8th. Next one. Gadesan has been declared as the new summer capital of which state? That is Uttarakhand state. Next one. Which country has declared a state of emergency after a massive fuel spill in the Arctic Circle? That country is Russia. Next one. The US International Development Finance Corporation, DFC, is looking to invest how many $million in India? That is $350 million. Next one. National Chemical Laboratory situated in which city has successfully developed an indigenous nasopharyngeal swab for collecting samples? That is located in Hyderabad. Next one. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC, and allied nations have been agreed to cut oil production by about how much percent till July? That is of 10%. Next one. Which IIT institution has developed an artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test kit? That is IIT Hyderabad. Next one. Which among the following has partnered with Atal Innovation Mission, that is aimed to promote innovation in India? That is CSIR Institute. Next one. What is the name of the POD developed by Indian Air Force for evacuation of crucial patients with infectious disease including COVID-19? That is ARPIT. Next one. Which state among the larger states has topped the India's Food Safety Index released by FSSAI? That is Gujarat state. Next one. Gujarat has been topped among the largest states in the terms of Food Safety Index, and it is followed by next state is Tamil Nadu, and third place is Maharashtra. Among the UTs, if we discuss among the UTs, Chandigarh, Delhi and Andaman Nicobar Islands have been secured the top rankings. Among the smaller states, Goa is followed by the Manipur and Meghalaya. Next one. From October 1st, the government has mandated all BS6 compliant cars to display which color sticker that would provide all registration details of the vehicles. That is green color sticker. Next one. India and which country has signed an MOU to boost cooperation in the power sector? That country is Denmark country. Next, the Odisha has accorded the state song status to Bande Utkal Janani, a patriotic poem which was written by Kantakabi Lakshmikant Mahapatra. Please remember this one. Next one, which state has launched the Mukhyamantri Sahari Path Vyavsayi Utan Yojana? The state is Madhya Pradesh state. Next one, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, that is CBIC, has launched its flagship program Turant Customs in which cities? That is Bengaluru and Chennai cities. Next one, New Zealand has declared itself free from coronavirus. Who is current Prime Minister of the country? He is Jacinda Ardern. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.